Hi, this is Austin from Kaivac. Today I'll show you how to inspect the squeegee blades and also how to remove and replace the blades. The blades are designed to be long-lasting, however it's important to inspect the squeegee blades daily. Squeegee blades are vital to the vacuum recovery process. Worn out or damaged squeegee blades can lead to a loss of vacuum suction and cause streaking. So let's begin. As you can see, these squeegee blades are damaged and it's time for them to be replaced. To remove the squeegee blade, simply lift from the center and pull it out away from the head. You're going to do that for both sides. To replace the squeegee blade, ensure that the ridges are pointed out away from the center channel. Align the blade underneath the wheel housing and bend the squeegee blade and align it under the wheel housing on the opposite side and then pop the blade in. And again, you'll do the same on the opposite side. Make sure that the ridges are facing out away from the center. Again, place the blade underneath one of the wheel housings, bend the squeegee blade, and align it with the opposite wheel housing, and you're good to go. Inspecting the squeegee blades daily and replacing them when needed will provide optimal lift for your vacuum system and prevent streaking. Subscribe to our channel for more Kaivac tips and tricks. See you next time.